The universe always keeps us guessing. Just when we think we understand the cosmos, something unexpected appears. Our powerful telescopes reveal new mysteries, not just confirmations. These surprises are the heart of scientific discovery. We're explorers, still charting unknown territory in a vast ocean of stars. Each new puzzle pushes us to ask better questions and build better tools. From the discovery of pulsars to the enigma of dark matter, astronomy is a history of surprises. And now, we have a new cosmic riddle. Deep in the Milky Way, astronomers have found a ghostly glowing bubble, almost perfectly round. They've named it Telios, a cosmic question mark hanging in the darkness. Telios reminds us that even in our own galaxy, secrets remain. The journey of discovery is far from over. The universe always has another surprise in store. How do you find a ghost in the cosmos? In a universe filled with billions of stars, swirling clouds of gas, and endless stretches of darkness, some secrets are almost impossible to spot. Yet, astronomers are always searching for the faintest hints of something new, something that doesn't quite fit the patterns we know. To uncover these cosmic phantoms, you need a special kind of eye, one that can see what's invisible to ordinary sight. In the remote outback of Western Australia, the ASKP radio telescope listens for faint whispers across the galaxy, tuning in to signals that have traveled for thousands, even millions of years. Unlike optical telescopes that capture starlight, ASKP's 36 dishes map the sky in radio waves, revealing hidden structures and phenomena that would otherwise remain unseen. It's like having a superpower for cosmic discovery. During a massive survey, astronomers spotted something odd, a faint, nearly perfect circular bubble of radio emission, quietly glowing near the galactic center. It was unlike anything they'd expected to find. It wasn't a typical gas cloud or a distant galaxy. Its symmetry was uncanny, its edges sharp and defined, as if drawn with a cosmic compass. The team named it Telios, a name chosen to reflect its enigmatic and almost otherworldly nature, hinting at a purpose or story yet to be revealed. Modern astronomy's greatest strength lies in its ability to conduct massive surveys, scanning huge swaths of sky and finding rare, hidden objects that would otherwise go unnoticed. Telios is a perfect example of this power. Thanks to ASKP's incredible sensitivity and advanced technology, Telios was picked out from the cosmic noise, a needle in a haystack of stars and static. But finding Telios was just the beginning. Its discovery opened up a whole new set of questions, sparking excitement and curiosity among astronomers worldwide. Now telescopes across the globe, radio, optical, X-ray, and more, are turning their gaze toward Telios, each searching for clues in their own unique way. Every wavelength could reveal a different piece of the puzzle. Is Telios an ancient relic from the galaxy's past, or a newborn structure just beginning its cosmic journey? Its true age remains a mystery. Is it a giant, far-off bubble or something much smaller and closer to home? Its scale and distance are still up for debate, adding to the intrigue. Each new observation, each fresh data point, adds a piece to the puzzle, slowly building a clearer picture of what Telios might be. For now, Telios stands as one of the most intriguing and mysterious discoveries in our galaxy, a cosmic enigma waiting to be solved. The hunt for answers has only just begun, and with every new observation, we move one step closer to unraveling the secrets of this extraordinary cosmic bubble. When astronomers spot a giant glowing bubble in the depths of space, their first thought is often supernova remnant. These cosmic bubbles are the aftermath of massive stars ending their lives in spectacular explosions, leaving behind expanding clouds of gas and dust. Supernovae are some of the most violent events in the universe, chaotic, unpredictable, and rarely neat. The explosions send material flying in all directions, creating tangled, irregular shapes that look more like cosmic wreckage than perfect spheres. But Telios stands out. Unlike most, it's a near-perfect sphere, so round it almost looks artificial, as if drawn with a compass against the backdrop of space. Normally, supernova remnants get twisted and stretched by the uneven interstellar medium they expand into. Clumps of gas and dust push and pull, distorting the shape. Telios's remarkable roundness suggests it's expanding into an unusually smooth, uniform environment, or perhaps something else entirely is at work, shaping it with precision. Its glow is brightest at the edge, a telltale sign of a hollow shell structure. This means the material is concentrated in a thin layer, like a soap bubble floating in space. Even more intriguing, the radio waves from Telios are highly polarized. This reveals the presence of well-organized magnetic fields, something rarely seen in the aftermath of a typical supernova. where chaos usually reigns. The neatness and order of Telios are truly baffling. It's as if nature decided to break its own rules and create something almost impossibly tidy. Usually the universe is a messy place, especially after giant explosions. Debris scatters, shapes warp, and chaos dominates. Yet Telios's perfect shape and magnetic order hint at a process that's far less chaotic, or perhaps something entirely new and special that we don't yet understand. This cosmic oddity forces scientists to consider more exotic possibilities, ideas that stretch the limits of our current theories. Telios challenges our standard explanations, making us question what we thought we knew about how stars die and what they leave behind. It's simply too tidy, too precise to fit the mold of a typical supernova remnant. The search for answers pushes astronomers to rethink what's possible, inspiring new theories and bold ideas about the forces at play in our universe. Sometimes the universe's neatest, most beautiful objects are also its strangest, and Telios is a cosmic mystery that refuses to be easily explained. With the usual suspects ruled out, scientists get creative. When faced with a cosmic puzzle as strange as Telios, the scientific imagination is pushed to its limits. Researchers begin to explore possibilities that, at first glance, might seem unlikely or even outlandish. One idea: Telios is the ghost of a rare type IX supernova. These are weak explosions from white dwarfs, stars that have already burned through their fuel. Instead of tearing themselves apart in a dramatic blast, they leave behind a relatively neat shell of gas and dust, glowing faintly in the darkness. This could explain some of Telios's unusual features, like its shape and faint luminosity. Another intriguing theory is that Telios is the aftermath of a magnetar outburst. Magnetars are a special kind of neutron star, born from the collapse of massive stars, and they're known for their extreme behavior. Magnetars have the universe's strongest magnetic fields, trillions of times stronger than Earth's. A giant flare from one of these objects could inflate a bubble in space, shaping it with invisible but powerful magnetic order and leaving behind a structure like Telios. The magnetar theory is especially compelling because it explains both the unusual shape of Telios and the polarization of its light, which hints at a highly ordered magnetic environment. Of course, some can't help but wonder, could Telios be artificial? Is it possible we're looking at an alien megastructure, something built by an advanced civilization to harness the energy of a star? It's a fun and exciting thought, and science fiction is full of such ideas, but so far there's no evidence for anything artificial. Natural explanations always come first in science. Science works by ruling out the ordinary before embracing the extraordinary. Only after every natural cause is eliminated do we consider the truly wild possibilities. For now, astronomers are gathering more data, using every tool at their disposal to reveal Telios's true nature. Each new observation brings us closer to an answer. Whether Telios turns out to be a failed supernova, a magnetar's ghost, or something entirely new, it's a powerful reminder that the cosmos still holds countless surprises and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The mystery is far from solved, and the search for answers continues. One big challenge: we don't know how far away Telios is. Without distance, we can't know its true size or age. Is it a small nearby bubble or a colossal structure far away? If close, it's young and small. If distant, it's ancient and huge. Standard distance measuring tricks don't work well for something so faint. Scientists are searching for a central star to pin down its location. Until then, Telios remains a beautiful enigma. Telios's perfect circle is its greatest mystery. Space is messy. Perfect shapes are rare. Explosions in space usually create lopsided remnants, distorted by clumpy gas and dust. So how did Telios stay so round? One idea: the star that made it lived in a bubble, clearing out its surroundings with powerful winds before exploding. The shockwave then expanded into this empty space, keeping its shape. Another theory: powerful magnetic fields acted like a mold, guiding the shell into a sphere. The polarized radio waves support the magnetic field idea. Telios's shape is a clue to its special birthplace. It's not a typical patch of the Milky Way. Whether shaped by a void or magnetic forces, its roundness points to unique circumstances. Solving this puzzle is key to understanding Telios. In the universe, even shape tells a story. Telios is just one of many cosmic mysteries. Our telescopes now catch fleeting events like fast radio bursts, brief flashes more powerful than the sun. We find black holes too massive for our theories and galaxies that formed faster than expected. Strange signals and hidden objects keep challenging our understanding. Each discovery shows how incomplete our knowledge is. The universe is stranger than we can imagine. Solving Telios is part of a grand tradition of cosmic curiosity. Every answer brings more questions. We are explorers on an infinite frontier. Telios and mysteries like it invite us to keep looking up and wondering.